So one pressure washer plus a $30 Amazon attachment and some kitty play sand or some black coal slag, 2 different blast mediums. So we went ahead and we pressure washed and blasted our Corvette Rallye wheels for our 56 Bel Air, sprayed them down with some phosphoric acid, got them looking pretty. If you're interested in seeing how this tool from Amazon works, 30 bucks in a pressure washer, and whether or not it's worth the extra money to spend on the blast media or play sand, that's all in this episode. Stay tuned. All right, welcome to another episode of Restoring Christine. Bill here. I'm nowhere near Christine. I'm at a remote location where I can do some sandblasting work. That's what this episode is going to be about. I've got a pressure washer, my pressure washer, and I ordered a $30 kit from Amazon that injects blast media into the wash stream, and it does an awesome job doing dustless sandblasting, and that's what we're going to do today. So I've got my rims. I've got a set of Corvette Rallies. I've got these are 15" by 8. These are the big ones. And these have always been on my 56 Bel Air, but they are tired. They need to be blasted. I've got new tires that are actually just came in this week. So, but before I get these tires, I'm relying on these to hold the car up. So I'm going to take this pressure washer, the sandblasting equipment, and I'm going to clean both the front and the back side. I'm going to wash it down with some acid, some phosphoric acid to pickle it, and then we'll prime it. And then that'll prep the wheels until I send them off to go get the tires removed, and then I'm gonna paint them then. So let me show you what we're gonna get into today. So what I have here is a set of Corvette Rallies. These were available in 1968 to maybe 1980-ish or so. Anyway, these are 15" diameter by 8" wide, and the tires are old. These are worn out, but you can see these are the wheels that take the center cap and then the trim ring, and I've got all that in storage here. But the back sides of these are in, about what you'd expect. They're all kind of crusty and got a little bit of rust on them. So what I'm using is a Troy-built pressure washer. This came from one of the big box stores. So this is a 3100 PSI, 2.7 gallon per minute machine. Honda 190, I guess it's a 190cc on the motor. And the attachment that I got from Amazon is a $30 attachment that just goes on. It's got a quick connect. Here's the device. So it's a quick connect that goes onto the end of your wand. It's got the brass injector, a little siphon hose that goes to a siphon tube. You stick this into your blast media, and when you're flowing water's flowing out of here. The pressure nozzle is up here, and then it injects the blast medium into the discharge after it comes out of the pressure nozzle. So that's the way this thing works. It's very, very simple. It's only $30 on Amazon. So I went to Tractor Supply, and Tractor Supply's got the best deal in blast medium, and I bought this Black Diamond Coal Slag. This is about $15 a bag. This is designed to be used as a blast medium. That's what it's sold for. And then I also have your regular old play sand. And the reason why people use play sand is because it's the most important thing right here. It's screened. Not so much that it's washed. That's a bad thing, because they've taken out all the hard edges. But the screening is what you need, is because this is a uniform material. It's already down to just the fines. It doesn't have any pebbles in it that would get clogged up. So I've already tested my material, this equipment with the first bag of this coal slag. And like I said, this was about $15. And I'd used this on another part, and I think in about 10 or 15 minutes, I went through, this is a 50-pound bag, I went through most of it. So that's what prompted me to go ahead and buy the play sand. I said, if I'm going to do this and I'm going to recover these wheels and get any value out of them, the play sand is just a better deal dollar for dollar. But what I thought it would do is it would give me the opportunity right now to do a comparison. So I'm going to compare the black coal slag to the play sand, and we're going to see how quickly one versus the other works. And I don't know, it needs to be 3 times the labor for the play sand to be not the better deal. So we're going to check it out now. So let me show you the difference between the two products. Here's that black coal slag. Get an idea for how big it is. and of course pity play sand, which you know what that is. Two together, you kind of see comparison between the two. Yep, the coal slag's a lot bigger. Play sand is super fine compared to the coal slag. I'd say the coal slag's probably about 5 to 10 times the size per particle. All right, got the pressure washer running. And look, some people put it in a bucket. You don't need to put it in a bucket. I mean, the bag itself holds the material. That works. I've got it on a bucket just to give it some elevation to help with the flow. Let me set you up on a tripod. All right, this first go is going to be that black medium. Coal slag. That was maybe 15 minutes. I was fighting the machine. It wouldn't draw the material. And I had a clog in my hose. But it's not absolutely not near white blast. I mean, you can see what it is. It gets it mostly cleaned up. So I might be able to do a little bit more with that. But I'm going to switch. I'm going to start doing the second wheel. I'm going to switch medium and I'll go with that play sand. All right, I'm going to tell you right now, save you money. Buy that play sand. Watch how quick this is. It's that same wheel. I'm going to tell you right now, don't waste your time with that Black Beauty. Don't waste your time with that. This play sand does such a much better job. I mean, that was real quick. That's almost near white. I went back and I did the other rim. There's no comparison. Look at all the material that's flowing. It flows easier with this device. You can see the sand getting everywhere. But let me go ahead and start in the rain now. But it doesn't matter because I'm in the water. So let me go ahead and put this up. Start the compressor. Pressure washer. I'm going to show you how well this works. Flip it over, show you the backside. Now this is the more grimy and cruddier surface. That's the proof in the pudding right there. I mean, you can see it. That's gorgeous. Look at that. From rusty crusty to new. Let me go ahead and finish this. It's starting to rain. I want to get this done. Alright, I know I'm a mess. I'm going to do one more in real time. This is the last one. Let me just show you how quick this place sand works with this Amazon product. This is awesome. When that sand flows, boy, it gets it done. See, it just stopped. Tell when it stops. There it comes. All right, the last little bit we got is to spray it with phosphoric acid. So this is made by Clean Strip Concrete Metal Prep. You can get this at the big box stores like Home Depot and Lowe's. Got in a sprayer, mixed 3 to 1, and got me some gloves on. Also sprung a leak. So you can see the orange is already starting to set in. So we're just going to hit it with this phosphoric acid, and that ought to pickle it, settle it down, calm the rust down, and let it you see how it went silver again. It went bright again. All right, so I just totally goofed up this cap, this plug, the stem. Get the other side. See, it's all bright orange. And I'll knock that right off. Calm it down. I'll be able to get these home and then prime them later today after they dry off. Looks like I busted another stem over here too. Well, hope you got something out of this. I hope this is helpful. You know, there's a number of different steps here, but these rims are cleaning up really well. I have to spray both sides of them. Let me go ahead and get this done, and then we'll wrap up this video. All right, you know what? I was gonna continue this video to where I prime these rims and then take it to the next step. But you know what? I'm gonna save that because this is a great stopping point. Man, take a look at how they came out. Now that I've sprayed them with the phosphoric acid, look at that bright silver. And that is clean, 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 both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them. They all look the same. And they look great. I went through 3 bags of play sand. Not quite, so maybe 120 pounds maybe instead of 150. I don't know how many pounds are left in there, maybe 130 pounds. This black beauty, or this black slag, cold slag from Tractor Supply, no go. I don't like that. Not with this device, but this Amazon $30 attachment. I mean, you be the judge. That's incredible. And total time from start to finish, if I'm being honest, less than 2 hours. Less than 2 hours. I had a lot of delays today from people stopping by, talking, and going over, just interrupting me. But anyway, that's going to do it. So, do hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're enjoying the channel, I'd love a subscription. So until I see you next time, please take care of yourself. Cheers.